Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about higher order derivatives. And for each problem, we're going to find the indicated derivative with respect to x. So if I was given this problem, f of x is equal to 5x to the fourth power, and we want to find f triple prime, okay, the third derivative of f. Well, my first step here is I need to take the first derivative. So we have f prime of x, taking the first derivative. Power rule says the 4 comes out up front, times the 5, x to the, subtract the exponent by 1, third power. Okay? 4 times 5 is 20, so f prime of x is 20x to the third. I now need to take the derivative again, find f to the second power, f double prime, right? And so I'm going to use the power rule a second time here. 3 comes out up front, 3 times 20, x to the second power, and 3 times 20 is 60. So we have f double prime of x is equal to 60x squared. We subtract the exponent by 1. Lastly, we have one more derivative to do. We have f triple prime of x. Okay, 2 comes down with the power rule again. 2 times 60, and just leave it as x. You don't need to write to the first power. Hopefully you can do that now. So it's just 2 times 60x, and f triple prime of x. We can write that 2 times 60 is 120. And so our answer is f triple prime of x is equal to 120x. So let's recap. We're given f of x is equal to 5x to the fourth power, and we need to find the triple derivative. I use the power rule to bring down the 4 and multiply it out to get 20x to the third power, and subtract the exponent to get my first derivative. To find my second derivative, I did the power rule a second time. 3 comes down, multiplied by 20 gives me that 60, and we subtract the exponent by 1 giving me x squared. So we have our second derivative here is 60x squared. Again, power rule for the third time in a row here. 2 comes down, 2 times 60 is 120. Exponent got subtracted by 1, and so 2 minus 1 is 1. So our final answer here is f triple prime of x is 120